All right. Welcome in, you trader nerds. How are y'all? It is a wacky Wednesday, and look at this. We've got ourselves a red candle. The market down 0.56%, down 29 points. Hey, it ain't so. It was going so good. Everybody's just doing something. And then all of a sudden, waka, 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 waka. I would imagine this has something to do with a Fed speaker, or did Biden fall off an airplane or something like that? Something must have happened. But we got a little downside now. So that's kind of cool. VIX is in the 12 handle, AD negative 122. Let's look at the big green monster, where no surprise, we see inflection around the 80% line. It was overbought. And then let's see, Nvidia earnings tonight too. Yeah, that's right. Fed minutes. We got all kind of stuff. So, who knows? But remember, look, don't y'all see this? Do y'all not see this? This is screaming for price to pull into that area, into this area where no volume has touched. Ladies and gentlemen, the only problem is the value area, the volume, what is this? Oh, heck, the, God, I can't even remember what that line's called. Anyway, this thing here, it'll come to me when I think about it. Where the most volume has traded is there, so it may want to kind of stay there for a while. But it wouldn't surprise us at all going back into the 52.69 area to test some of those areas. Let's look at the linear regression. Linear regression is kind of, and again, in this up move, look what happened. We got exhaustion into the up move, so we've got a little bit of consolidation going on before it figures out what it wants to do next. Consolidation, followed by movement, followed by consolidation, followed by movement, followed by consolidation, and it happens over and over. And point of control, that's it, Matt Jolly Wally. Thank you. The point of control. That's what this red line is, point of control. So let's see how old Sweet Bobby's doing today on a down day. Let's see. We've got to get the Fright spreadsheet first. Let's see. We want the Tasty Trade spreadsheet. Yeah. Let's see how we doing. How y'all doing? All right. So let's see. Let's put her in our net licky over here. So we were at 48,363. Today is 5/22/24. So we hadn't traded this in 5 days. So let's see what the old Netlick's up to today. Come here, little feller. All right, we are at 48,191. Oh my gosh, no, don't tell me we ain't made no money in 5 days. 48,191 exactly. 48,191. Well, actually 191.71. All right, we're down a little bit. So we're up 14.67% on the year. Wang. And this really doesn't matter. Everything's safe. Everything's very safe. So let's go to our Greeks and ratios. See what we got going on here. We've got 24 and negative 59. What? Negative 59 in theta. How did that happen? We'll show you in a minute. 24, negative 59. So let's put that in. So we went from 82 to 24 to negative 59. And we said that VIX is in the 12 handle, and our buying power is using, let's see, positions. Don't include all of our fabulous bill shares that we're holding. So we are at 63, 63. 63, 63. So look at this. Our buying power went down. Everything looks good, y'all, except for our theta. We don't like having negative theta, do we? So how do you get rid of that? Well, first of all, we need to figure out what caused it. And let's go over here and let's look at our orders, activity, and we want to get the field orders. And let's do this for the last 14 days. So it'll refresh here. So you see, we hadn't traded since the 17th, right? Let me see when the last time we traded was. We traded on the 17th. So we've got a couple of orders that have filled here. So let's see what happened here. It says on the, well, this one is at 3:40 p.m. I don't know if I recorded that or not. At 3:40 p.m. on the 17th, we filled three. What do we do here? We bought three at 25 GTC. Let's see, on 5/17, we bought three. Let's see if we got that in our spreadsheet here. 5/17, we bought three. Here we go. 517, 3 at 30, 34, 37.50. Make sure that's right. 517 GTC 37.50. Yes, we got that in there, but we don't have this one in there. So on 519, we bought 25 loans, y'all. Wonka. 519, 25 loans. We did 38.50s. 28. Wow, that's a bunch, y'all. That is a bunch. So let's put that in. 20, 38.50s. Let me take a snapshot of this so I can remember all this. Let me take a snap. Snappy. I said I want a snappy. There we go. And I'll put this above so I can use that information. All right, so here we go. We did 38.50s and we did 25 loans, y'all. That is great. Let's see what our thing looks like now before we do this. Let's see what our P&L looks like. Wonka. That was pretty good. I thought it would look even stronger than that with as many loans as we got. Look at that, y'all. That's 16,000. If we go to the crest there, about 17,000. All right, so we bought 25. Let's put it in our spreadsheet. So 25, so it means that had to go with a 5 times 3 is 15. Here they are. 15, 31.50s, and 15 BS87. So we bought back 25 at 38.50. 38.50. So this goes with this one right here. See that? This was 3900s. We sold 15. So BS87. Let's put this in here. BS87. Yes. Bought 25 loans. 25 loans. BS87. 38.50s we bought. Puts. And these are loan hedge. And they are at 51 days today. Well, when we put it on, it would have been the 19th. So that's 3 days ago. So say 54 was when we put it on. 5. Now, I told you it's going to be hard keeping up with all these things. 24. And we bought them for $1.55. All right. Now, so let's see if I got any auto close signals for anything. No. Then we had another order. And what we did is we harvested the 6. So let's find 6 of the 32.50s. We harvested 6 32.50s with 30 days left to go. So let's find those. 30 days left to go. 6 32.50s. Here they are with 30 days left to go. So we harvested those, 6 of those. So let's see, we closed those on that's today, 5/22. How about that? Closed those today, and we closed, sorry, did that backwards. Closing price was 20 cents. Got 0.20. All right, and we closed them today, 5/22/24. So what that means, let's just look and see what that means. That means that we have closed 6 loans. So we closed 6 shorts, and we added 5 tranches. 5 times 5 is 25. 5. So that means I could probably sell 15 shorts right here to go with those. And I could probably sell another 26 there to make it 21. I want to be conservative though, and I'm going to sell 18 shorts on a good down day, which is what we're having today, right? So let's sell 18 shorts on a good down day. So let's go in and let's go here and let's go trade. And let's go out over 60 days. Look at this. We got these ones with 70 days here. So let's go 70 days. $3. Oh, I love this. God, y'all, I could do this all day. Couldn't y'all? Let's sell the 39.50s. And we said we're going to do 18 of them. I know what you're thinking. That's a lot, Bobby. You dang right it is. Time to piss or stay on the porch. What do they say? Kind of, I don't know.
You want those in the MES, Bobby?
No, I don't, Hal. Thank you, Hal. Thank God for Hal. Thank God for Hal. There's magic for a wine. See? So we got things all in here, but we don't have anything in the 100 days. So let's go to the 100 days. Make it nice and clean. And we'll sell these for $3, 3,500. Makes it a lot safer too, doesn't it? And let's say we said we're going to do 18. 18 for 305. Let's go, baby. There we go. There's Big Daddy coming in for selling 18 biggins. So 3,500, 305 at 100 days. 3,500, 305. 3,500, 305. 3,500. And we said 3.05 was our price. So let's fill in the blanks here. This is ES. We did 18 of those things, which is 6 tranches. We'll call this BSH 10. And this is puts, and this is short hedge, because it's the short part of your hedge at 100 days. Control colon. There we go. So we brought in $2,712 worth of premium. Now let's go put in our GTC orders. We want to close this. Oh, where'd the crap? What the crap? We want to close that. Right click, close position, close the full. When it gets down to 20 cents, GTC. And we want to buy the 3450s. 6 tranches would be 5 times 6 would be 30 of those. Look at that, y'all. I told you how we just build this thing up organically. Move that up to 30 of those. 30. And we want to do it when we can do it for $1.55 or $1.60, somewhere in there. I'm just doing them at $1.55. GTC. There it is. Ta-da. Now, what we need to do on this good down day is we need to, that got our theta up to 46. Now we need to do our 112, right? So let's go to in micros. First of all, let's go to positions. And let's put him in a position. We just sold the ES U4, is it? Where's 18? Yeah, so we said this is BSH 9. Let's see if that's right. BSH 10. BSH 10. Yeah. Close, not close position, but group positions, BSH 10. And what else we need to do? Those 25 that we bought, those are now the BSH 25 with 51 days or BSH 7. Right, so let's put BSH 7 in there. See if we've already got BSH 7. Yeah, look at this. 15 to 3,900. So let's take these and ungroup them. And let's now go 15, 25. And we'll group those together as BSH 7. Now, all right, now let's go and do our 111 trade. MES, right? Trade. What do we do? Costs us 120 days. Looks like we got 120 days, but let's go to that. Looks like we got that one full. Let's go to 121 days. And about a 10 delta. All right. You know, I think what I'm going to do is I don't want to overlap my strikes here because it just kind of messes things up. I think I'm going to do a 12 delta. So let's do that for 37, whatever. I'm going to fix it. Get back to $37. There we go. All right. We're going to do one of those at $38. Beautiful. $49.50, $38. $49.50, $38. $48.50. We said $38. Boy, that's nice and rich, isn't it? So this is MES. And we did one. So this will be NP13 was the last one we did. So we'll call this NP14. Put naked 121 control colon and there. So now we got to put in the put debit spread for our little bit of a hedge there. One. This will be PDS 14. Puts debit spread 121 days, today's date. Now I'm gonna have to pay more for this. Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to pay more for this because because I don't want to overlap strikes, right? So I'm gonna have a real close to the money put debit spread. Look at this. I'm gonna have a 5,400, 53.50 for 17.25. But the good thing is I cut in more credit by doing this one closer to the money. So that should maybe bounce out a little bit. So we got a really close put debit spread. I said we got a really close put debit spread. Let's go up a little bit. 17 in the critter. Did that not feel? Come on. That thing's got to feel. How's that not feeling? Huh. A place order. I'm surprised that not feeling. What's up with it? I don't know. It's gonna make me go up. See, it says the natural price is up 18. I'm going 18 and a quarter. Why will you not feel? I'm gonna cancel that order. Hold on. We're gonna go back into it. Cancel order. There we go. Now let's trade again. That doesn't seem right. So I said it was the 5,400, 53.50, $17. We bumped it up to 17 quarter. Lack of liquidity, maybe so. ZK says, I'm starting to get into BSH with a new account. Can you explain how to enter and then subsequently start the campaign? Account size 75,000. Yeah, I'll do that in just a second. Let's see if we can get this thing filled. This ought to be filling. I'm not sure why we not got liquidity up here. Let's keep going. It's really strange. That's fine. I'll pay $40 for it. I'm gonna get this filled. I don't care. Somebody is watching our broadcast and going, what's this? Let's screw him.
Just put on another 52.50.
I guess I could. I'm just thinking it's messing up my thing though. You know what I'm saying? My strikes. All right, I'm not going over 1850. Let's see if 1850 fails. No. I'm with you, Hal. I may try 5,300, 52.50. Let's get this thing out. Yeah, the open interest is low on those. Let's cancel that. All right, so now let's go to positions or trade. Let's try the 5,300, 52.50, 12.75. Let's bump it up to 13. Jeez Louise. I mean, did the rapture happen? What's happening? Everybody. I've never had so much trouble getting into a put debit spread. Oh, I'm gonna go one more. I have never, ever, ever, ever in my life I'm gonna go down one more. Let's see. People are cancel that. Let's trade. Try this one. That's crazy too, isn't it? It's
It
way
might
over.
be your buying power, even though this would be adding to it instead of taking off.
Yeah, it says it's a debit, but um, I don't know how. There's something seems funny, doesn't it? That's crazy. I'm certainly not going to put a market order in there and let them really screw me. Look at this. Natural says 70. You know what? I'll do without the darn thing. I ain't got to have it. I'll just sell a naked put. We'll go one more time. If this is a liquidity thing, y'all, we've never seen this bad of liquidity. This is terrible. This is really terrible. Let's see if we can do this. Let's see. Let's go. Let's cancel this. Let's cancel this. All right, let's do this. Let's go trade and let's buy. See, the bid-ask spread is not that bad. Not that bad. I mean, you know. Let's buy the 5,400. Wow, look at that Theo mid, y'all. I guess that is the case. You know what? Screw it. I'm not putting it on. I'm just gonna sell the naked put. Let's see if I got it in my spreadsheet. Yeah. I'll just do away with this. Screw that. I don't need that. Just do a naked put 14. The 48.50 is naked put 14. Let's see. 48.50 is naked put 14. Group positions, NP 14. Okay, that's it. Yeah, it's 53.50 was 4 and the 5,400 is 12. Yeah.
You could try putting the debit spread in on the AM contract.
Yeah, I could do that. But you know, it's like I'm almost so mad at them now that I'm like, you know, screw y'all. I just not gonna do it. I just think I won't do it. All right, guys. Good session today. Appreciate all of you. Hope you have a wonderful session or a wonderful rest of your day. And we will see everybody tomorrow. 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 I can get out of this tomorrow. Bye, y'all.